Hey guys, this is Zevin from DMC. Now, in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can change the YouTube profile picture in your YouTube channel. So let's go into our step-by-step share. Now, for those of you thinking of how you can actually change the YouTube profile picture over right here, right? Basically, it's quite simple. Okay. First of all, you need to prepare your profile picture first. All right. So over right here, let me just navigate to my another channel for demonstration. All right. So over right here, if you can see, there's actually few ways for you to navigate. Yeah. So you can actually click here, customize the channel. Yep. So once you click, it will actually open up a new tab for you. Yeah. And in order for you to change the profile picture, we are going to go under the branding section. All right. So right here, you can see this profile picture right here that you can just come here and change. Now, another method for you to navigate to the profile, the profile picture is basically via here. So this is much more straightforward, right? When you mouse over to your picture right here, it will actually show this icon. Yeah. So you can just click and it will actually redirect you to the page. And this page right here is exactly the one that we clicked just now. All right. So if you can see the two difference over right here, channel customization, and it's under the branding tab. All right. It's under the branding tab. And over right here, what we are looking at is that you can see down here, okay, the left navigation. So this is also the same place over right here. So if you can't get to this page, the same thing, if you go into your channel customization right here on the left navigation, it will actually bring you to the same page as well, okay, the same setting as well. So under the channel customization, we are going to go under the branding tab. All right. So inside this branding tab, you will see your picture right here, and you can just go ahead and change it. All right. So there's actually a minimum requirement. So in order for you to change this image, at least your picture at least need to be 98 times 98 pixel. It's actually quite a small size, but this is the minimum. So if you want it to be slightly higher resolutions and so on, you can actually upload a bigger size, a bigger file size. All right. And also at the same time, it's recommended for you to use a PNG or a GIF file. But however, if you're using a GIF file, it won't be auto animated. So this is the one that is actually the guidelines right here. So you can just go ahead, click on change, and then I'm actually going to choose a different picture right here. Maybe I will just use this, even though it's suggested as a PNG, right? But if you upload a JPEG file, it will work as well. All right. So this is the picture that I'm having with a blue background. Yep. Once you're done uploaded, you can actually adjust the size of your circle to see which are the area that you want to focus. All right. But if you're actually uploading a square sign image, right, you will actually the circle will be perfectly fit to the whole image, right? So once you are done, click on the right hand side, bottom right, done. All right, so just click on over right here, the bottom right this section, the done. Yep. So one more step. Once you click on done, you will see that here, here is changing, but on your top left, your profile picture over right here still remain as the previous one. So what you need to do right here, one more step, to click on publish. All right. And this is the moment. So after you publish, it's considered instant update. You'll be able to see that your YouTube channel profile picture has been changed. So you can see something like this, and we are just going to click in and have a look. If you can see from here, you'll be able to see the change of the image. So same thing, if you are looking to change to a picture with transparent background, yeah, maybe I will just use this. So this is a transparent background over right here. I will just, use exactly the size. All right. And then I'm just going to click on publish. You'll be able to see that the transparent background is actually converted into the white background. Yeah, so it actually showing a white background right there. Yeah, so let me just go to my channel again. Okay, so this is the one that you can see from here. It actually gives you a very simple way that you can actually update your profile picture of your YouTube profile picture right here. All right. So for those of you, if you are looking on how to change your YouTube profile picture, basically this is just a small tips and small guide for you all. So if you have successfully uploaded or changed your profile picture, remember to leave a comment below and let me know. And meanwhile, if you like our video, remember to help us like and share. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.